chapter of our class 7, that is data handling. Okay, first of all, we will learn what is data and where we find data. Like first of all, I will tell you about that what is data. It is a collection of raw facts and figures. Now you must be confused, what are raw facts and figures? So let me tell you, supposingly in your class, fine, and suddenly your teachers ask, okay, tell me your heights or tell me your weights. Now whatever data she is collecting right now, that is not in a proper way, that is not arranged in a proper way. Fine. So what you people are doing, she is simply collecting the data of heights of the students or weights of the students. So when there is collection of raw facts, facts can be any information, okay, and figures can be any numbers. Fine. So when someone is collecting any facts and figures or any information about anything, that collection of raw information which is not properly arranged is called डेटा. डेटा नॉर्मली हम बोल सकते हैं कि हमारे पास जो भी चीज़ें एक हमने कलेक्ट कर ली, जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन हमने इकट्ठी की और उस इंफॉर्मेशन को हम अपने किसी भी काम के लिए यूज़ कर रहे हैं, तो वो हमारे पास एक इंफॉर्मेशन, ठीक है, एक हमारे पास एक रिकॉर्ड है जिसको हम यूज़ करेंगे अपनी चीज़ों को आगे और अरेंज करने के लिए. फाइन. और जब भी हमारे पास डेटा एक अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड फॉर्म में होता है, then definitely we are not able to analyze it properly or we are not able to conclude it. Fine. So in that case, what we have to do, we have to organize that data in a particular form to make it more understanding. Fine. For example, let me take a very simple example, like when you people are going to school. Every day, your attendance is being recorded in attendance register. In that attendance register, at one side your names are written, at the top different dates are written, and every day your present and absent is being marked. Similarly, for your marks also, there is one mark register, or the very real example which you have seen, that is your report card. Report card which you are getting at the end of the session. In that you are having marks of UT1, UT2, fine, half yearly exam, annual exam. So in that case you are getting your data in a proper arranged manner, fine, which makes you easy to understand that what has been depicted in that data. Fine. So organization of data is called data handling. In our daily life, knowingly or unknowingly, we are handling data every day. Every day. Like in school, we can get various examples of handling data. Fine. In any market or in any big malls, they are also having a record of the data, that how many things they have bought, how many things they have sold, what is their net profit or loss. So in all such cases, we have to organize our data in a proper way, day wise, date wise, in whatever way we are comfortable to make it more understanding. Fine. And we have different ways to organize our data. It depends the type of data is available to us, and it also depends that in what form we want to get our information. Supposedly, जैसे अगर हम बहुत सिंपल एक शॉपकीपर की बात करें, ठीक है, तो शॉपकीपर जो है वो अपना बहुत छोटा सा शॉपकीपर, एक नॉर्मल हम वेजिटेबल शॉपकीपर की अगर हम बात करें, तो वो आज के दिन सपोजिंगली आज वो मार्केट गया मॉर्निंग में, वो कितने रुपए की सब्जी खरीद कर लाया, उसमें से उसने कितने रुपए की सब्जी बेच दी. दैट इज ऑल. इन दैट वे ही विल कैलकुलेट दैट व्हाट वाज हिज इन्वेस्टमेंट and how much he has got profit in that. Fine. So at very small places also we are arranging our data. One way you people have seen, that is graphical method. That is most easy to understand, it is easy to visualize it, and it is more attractive also. So this is the first method which we use to represent our data. In graphical method, you must have learnt about pictograph in class 6, in which you are representing the data by using some symbols. Supposedly, if you want to show like the numbers of books sold in a particular day, then supposedly 100 books are sold in that particular day. So you are not going to draw those 100 books. You will represent one symbol and you can write this one book is representing, this one symbol of book is representing 10 books. Fine. So pictograph, in which we are using pictures. From the name only you can depict. Pictograph, we use pictures to depict a graph. In bar graph, the word bar, it comes in the form of your chocolate bars only. Fine. Likewise, you are having chocolate bars, in the same way we used to plot a bar graph. Then double bar graph. These two graphs you have already studied in class 6. Pictograph, bar graph and 10 marks also you have studied. Fine. But double bar graph you will be studying in class 7. Double bar graph is very much similar to bar graph. Actually it's exactly same. The only difference is of this double. Double means definitely we are going to show two things. Okay. So in double bar graph we can use it to compare between two data. Fine. If we want to show two information in the same bar graph to make a comparative study, in that case we use double bar graph. Fine. For example, let me take a very simple example. You people have given your half-yearly exams and final exams. So in half-yearly exams, definitely you must have scored some marks in different subjects. Similarly, in annual exams also, you people have scored different marks in different subjects. So what you can do? You can draw a simple bar graph. Simple bar graph. Like on x-axis, you can show different subjects. On y-axis, you can show your marks. Fine. On x-axis, you can show your subjects. And on y-axis, you can show your marks. And then you have to see the comparative marks you have got in half-yearly and final. So what we can do? Half-yearly marks we can show by plain box, and annual marks we can show by shading it. Fine. So in double bar graph we are representing two things in the same graph. Fine. Histogram you will study in class 8. Right now we have discussed these words: pictograph, bar graph, double bar graph and telemarks. Telemarks also, in telemarks we represent things in the group of 5 by drawing like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and for 5 we give a diameter. Fine. So these are the different graphical methods which we use to organize our data, or we can say that these are the different methods of data handling. Fine. Now one more new concept which you are going to learn in class 7, that is central tendency. Okay. This word is completely new for you. Central tendency. Okay. The word central, what does it mean? The word central means something which you are getting in center or in the middle or center value. Okay. So this central word means something which is in between the data. Okay. And tendency, you can say it's simply a process. Fine. So central tendency. So to find central tendency we have mainly 3 different methods. Okay. 3 different methods. That is mean, mode and median. We will discuss about these terms in detail ahead. And range is also one of them. So mean, mode, median and range, these are the terms which we are using in central tendency. We will discuss these terms in detail. So now we will talk about chance or probability. In chances, chance word we used to hear whenever we are playing in games. For example, like when I am playing Ludo, and we think about that how many chances we will get? 6. Or whenever we are playing any other game, so we think of it's our chance to have the bat, or it's our chance to do the shot. Fine. So chances and the word probability is quietly related with the word chance. Fine. Probability of any event I have written that it is number of favorable outcome divided by total number of outcome. Fine. For example, a very simple example I will take. We all have seen a coin. In a coin, at one side, head is there. At the other side, tail is there. Fine. So, whenever we are tossing a coin, there are two probabilities. Fine. Either we can have head or we can have tail. So, the total number of outcome is 2, head and tail. And supposedly, I am asking what is the probability of coming head. So, in a coin, head is only 1. So, the probability of getting a head is, total number of outcome is 2. And what is the favorable for head is 1. Fine. So, probability of getting head is 1 by 2. Similarly, probability of getting tail while tossing a coin is also 1 by 2. Because again, the total number of outcome are 2 and favorable is only 1. Fine. We will discuss this chapter in these topics in detail while moving ahead. Fine. First of all, I am going to explain you about the central tendency. This is the new concept which you will be studying in this chapter, in which we are having these 4 important words: mean, mode, median and range. So I am going to start with this mean, mode and median and range, and these are also one of the ways to handle our data. So this is used for data handling. Now we will see how. Now I am going to explain you all the 4 main concepts which we have studied in central tendency, that are mean, mode, median and range. These 4 terms we have studied in central tendency. I have taken a very small example. I have taken marks of 9 students. Fine. And these are the marks which they have got out of 10. Out of 10 in one subject, one child has got 3, another child has got 6, another has got 9, then one has got 8, one has got 10, one more child has got 8, one child has got 7, then 4, and one more child has got 8. So these are the marks of 9 students. You can check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 9 students marks are here, and these marks they have got out of 10. Like 10 marks exam was conducted. Fine. For mean, another name we can have for mean is, we can say it as arithmetic mean also, or we can say it as average also. Average word is also used for mean. Mean simply you can say, or you can say arithmetic mean, or we can say average. In all the cases, mean word is new for you, but average word you people have listened. When we are talking about average मतलब हम कोई बीच की वैल्यू की बात करते हैं, ठीक है, जैसे कोई वैल्यू बीच में आ रही है, कोई छोटा है कोई बड़ा है, ठीक है. सपोजिंगली मान लो मुझे एक क्लास 7th के बच्चों के लिए यूनिफॉर्म डिजाइन करवाना है. फाइन. और मेरी जो क्लास है 7th, उसमें बहुत छोटी हाइट के बच्चे भी हो सकते हैं और बहुत बड़ी हाइट के भी बच्चे हो सकते हैं. तो हम क्या करेंगे, एक बहुत छोटी हाइट वाले बच्चे में और एक बहुत बड़ी हाइट वाले बच्चे में हमें बीच की हाइट डिसाइड कर लेंगे, जिसमें हम वी कैन प्रिपेयर यूनिफॉर्म एज पर दैट साइज. तो इन्हीं सारी चीजों में हमारी सेंट्रल टेंडेंसी काम आती है. ठीक है, जब हमारे पास वेराइटी ऑफ डेटा होता है और उसमें से हमें एक एवरेज निकालना होता है. ठीक है, तो एवरेज का निकालने का आपके पास बहुत सिंपल सा एक फॉर्मूला है, दैट इज सम ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशंस. दीज आर आवर observations. Fine. The different marks of 9 students are our observations. Fine. So what is the formula? Sum of observations divided by number of observations. How many observations we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 observations we have. So sum means plus. Fine. So what we will do? I will add all these numbers like 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 8 plus 10 plus 8 plus 7 plus 4 plus 8. I can check that whether I have written all the 9 numbers or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are the 9 numbers. This is sum divided by number of observations. So this is divided by, and number of observations are 9. Fine. When you will add all this, fine. What is the sum is? 63. Again divided by 9. comes in the table of 9? Fine. So 9 7s are 63. So what is the average marks of all these 9 students? That is 7. Fine. So the marks which they have got in this average marks is 7. Or arithmetic mean of this data is 7. Or mean of the observation is 7. You can say it in any way. Fine. Now I think mean is clear to you. You have to simply use the formula sum of observations. What are observations? The data which is given to you divided by number of observations. Fine. Now we are coming to mode. This is the most simplest one. Fine. In which you don't have to do any calculation. Simply by seeing the data, you can say that what is the mode of the data. For mode, I have written 2 lines. We will read it carefully and we will try to understand what actually the mode means. Fine. The observation. These are our observations. The observations which occurs मतलब आना, ठीक है? The observation which occurs frequently. The word frequently means बार. तो वो observation जो कि बार आए is called मोड. उस ऑब्जर्वेशन को हम क्या कहते हैं? मोड. एक सिंपल से अगर हम बहुत सिंपल लैंग्वेज में बोलना चाहें तो अगर आपको कोई भी डेटा दिया हुआ है तो उसमें आपको उस डेटा में ये देखना है ऐसा कौन सा ऑब्जर्वेशन है, ऐसा कौन सा डेटा है जो कि बहुत बार रिपीट हो रहा है. ठीक है. आप जरूरी नहीं आप इसको बहुत डिफिकल्ट लैंग्वेज में लर्न करें. आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं द ऑब्जर्वेशन विच इज कमिंग अगेन एंड अगेन. फाइन. In technical language, what we have written, the observation, these are our observations which occurs, जो आ रहे हैं frequently, बार आ रहे हैं, is called mode. तो अगर हम इस डेटा को थोड़ा ध्यान से देखेंगे, 3 एक ही बार है, 6 भी नहीं है, दोबारा 9 भी नहीं है, 8 जो है वो 1 2 3 बार. 8 कितनी बार आ रहा है? 3 बार. मतलब हमारे इस ऑब्जर्वेशन में 8 एक ऐसा नंबर है जो कि बार आ रहा है. ठीक है. सो मोड ऑफ अवर डेटा इज मोड ऑफ आर डेटा इज 8. फाइन. तो हमारा जो डेटा है जो हमने एग्जांपल लिया है उसका मोड कितना आया? 8. अब आप लोग देख लीजिए जो सेंट्रल टेंडेंसी में जो सारी वैल्यूज आएंगी ना लगभग आपकी सेंटर वाली वैल्यूज आएंगी. फाइन. सो दैट इज कमिंग 8. नाउ कमिंग टू मीडियन. मीडियन वर्ड को बहुत सिंपल से लैंग्वेज में अगर हम बोलना चाहें बीच में. ठीक है. जैसे सपोजिंगली आप लोग लाइन में खड़े हैं, आपकी पूरी क्लास लाइन में खड़ी है. आप लोग जब असेंबली में लाइन में खड़े होते हैं सबसे छोटी हाइट वाला बच्चा आगे खड़ा होता है एंड देन इन द इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर यू अरेंज योरसेल्फ. सपोजिंगली योर टीचर्स आस्क दैट द सेंटर चाइल्ड come out of the line. Then first you have to find out who is the center child. That depends that how many students are standing in your line. Fine. For median, I have written in simple language the center value after arranging in ascending order. Why I have written ascending order? See, it's not compulsory that only ascending order. We can take it as descending order also, but we have to arrange it in a proper sequence, either from down to up or from up to down. If someone is standing randomly, then we can't find the center person. Fine. So for median, this is the most important aspect, that arrange your data either in ascending order or in descending order. Fine. I have arranged my data in ascending order. You can see 3, then 4, then there is no 5, 6, 7 and 8 is coming 3 times. So I have written 8 3 times. Then 9 and at the last 10. Just for our confirmation, again we can check how many terms are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. In median, the number of terms plays the most important role. क्योंकि जो आप बीच का जो भी आप सेंटर की वैल्यू निकालेंगे वो डिपेंड करेगा कि उस लाइन में कितने बच्चे खड़े हैं, कितने सारे लोग खड़े हैं. अगर सपोजिंगली बहुत सिंपल से एग्जांपल लूं, 5 बच्चे अगर हम खड़े हैं तो यहाँ से 2 बच्चे हटा दो और यहाँ से भी 2 बच्चे हटा दो. तो जो थर्ड वाला बच्चा होगा दैट इज द मीडियन ऑफ द डेटा. फाइन. तो मीडियन में आपको नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स का बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल है. तो नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स को हम किससे डिनोट कर रहे हैं? एन से. अच्छा, यहाँ पे मेरे एन की वैल्यू कितनी आई है? काउंट किया है ना हमने, कितनी आ रही है? 9. ऑड नंबर है या इवन नंबर है? यस, 9 इज ऑड नंबर। अब देखिए ऑड इवन या इसका ध्यान रखना क्यों जरूरी है। जैसे मैंने अभी आपको एग्जांपल बताया कि 5 बच्चे अगर लाइन में खड़े हैं तो आप यहाँ से 2 हटा दोगे, यहाँ से 2 हटा दोगे, तो बीच में आपका एक बच्चा आपको मिल जाएगा। ठीक है, आराम से आपको सेंटर में एक बच्चा मिल गया। लेकिन सपोजिंगली 5 बच्चे ना खड़े होकर 6 स्टूडेंट्स आर स्टैंडिंग इन अ लाइन, तो 6 वाले में अगर आप यहाँ से 3 हटा दोगे, यहाँ से भी 3 हटा दोगे, तो बीच में तो कोई है ही नहीं। तो इस केस में जो हमारे बीच में अगर हमें ढूंढने हो तो बीच में हमारे 2 बच्चे आएंगे। We can't find a single child in the center. We will have 2 child in the center. तो उस केस में मीडियन निकालने का फॉर्मूला कि अगर ऑड में है बच्चे, ऑड, तो हम कैसे निकालेंगे। ठीक है, तो देखिए जैसे 5 बच्चे अगर खड़े हैं तो हमारा थर्ड वाला जो बच्चा है दैट इज इन सेंटर, वो वैल्यू कैसे आएगी। सपोजिंगली n is 5, then 5 plus 1 6, 6 upon 2 3, then third term will be the median. Now but in our case what is the number of terms? 9. So what we will put? N is equal to 9 plus 1 by 2. Fine. This is the position of term. This is not the actual term. This is not the actual median. This formula just gives you the position of term at which you will get your median. ये फॉर्मूला सिर्फ और सिर्फ मुझे ये बताएगा कि मेरा मीडियन किस पोजीशन पर है या मुझे वो किस पोजीशन पर मिलेगा। तभी मैंने यहाँ पे टर्म लिखा, दिस इज द पोजीशन, TH टर्म। ठीक है, पोजीशन ऑफ दैट टर्म। सो 9 plus 1 10, 10 by 2 5th term. So my median should be 5th term. Now we have to check what is that 5th term. 1 2 3 4 5th. This is my 5th term. So median of this data is 8. Fine. Mean was 7, mode was 8, and median of the data is coming 8. So when now, if you don't have the formula, then also you can visualize it from here. That if 9 terms are there, then exclude 1 from this side and 1 from this side. Then 1 more from this side and 1 more from this side. Third one, fourth one. हमने दोनों तरफ से 4 4 हटा दिए. What is coming in the center? 8. So that is your median. Fine. और मोड की तरह एक और बहुत आसान हमारे पास सेंट्रल टेंडेंसी दैट इज रेंज। रेंज का फॉर्मूला मैंने लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे, हाईएस्ट वैल्यू माइनस लोवेस्ट वैल्यू। अब जो भी आपका डेटा दिया हुआ है, ठीक है, उसमें हाईएस्ट वैल्यू कितनी दिख रही है आपको इस ऑब्जर्वेशन से? हाईएस्ट वैल्यू 10. फाइन, सो द हाईएस्ट वैल्यू इज 10 and what is the lowest value in this? In ascending order, when we have arranged in ascending order, then we can find it easily. The highest value is 10 and the lowest value is 3. So what is the range of this data? 7. रेंज को भी अगर हम बहुत सिंपल लैंग्वेज में समझना चाहें, जैसे सपोजिंगली मान लीजिए कि मेरी रेंज, मेरे जो मैं बोल रही हूँ, मेरे वॉइस की रेंज यहाँ से कहाँ तक जा सकती है। सो इट शुड बी फ्रॉम द इनिशियल पॉइंट टू द फाइनल पॉइंट. दिस विल क्रिएट माई रेंज. ठीक है, कि मेरे जो साउंड की रेंज है वो कहां से कहां तक है. तो जो भी फर्स्ट बच्चा सुन रहा है या जो भी फर्स्ट बच्चा सुन रहा है वहां से लेकर जो भी लास्ट बच्चा मुझे सुन पा रहा है वहां तक मेरे वॉइस की रेंज है. तो रेंज हमेशा छोटे से लेकर बड़े तक होती है. ठीक है, या एक इनिशियल पॉइंट टू लेकर फाइनल पॉइंट होगी. तो यहाँ पे हमारा इनिशियल पॉइंट 3 है और फाइनल पॉइंट क्या है 10. तो 10 - 3 हमारी क्या आ गई, range. So now I think you must be clear with these concepts, that how we can find mean. I'm just recapitulating it. Mean, sum of observation divided by number of observation. We call it arithmetic mean or average also. Mode the observation which occur, observation जो कि बार बार आए उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं, mode. Median जो सबसे सेंटर में वैल्यू आए, and range, what is its range from initial to final point. So these are our different ways of representing a data. Fine. From one example we have learned how to find mean, mode, median and range. Similarly you can use it to find mean, mode, median of other data also. Fine. And now we will continue with our graphical representation that is of double bar graph. Now I will explain you how to draw double bar graph in our data handle. You people have already learned how we can draw the bar graph. Similar is double bar graph also. There is a very slight difference between bar graph and double bar graph. In bar graph, we represent only one thing in a data. But in double bar graph, we can represent two things in a single graph. Right now, this data is given to you. This data is about favorite sport. And what are the favorite sports? Cricket, basketball, swimming, hockey, athletics. Fine. And this favorite sport, some are watching that sports and many people are participating in this game. Fine. So we have to draw a double bar graph showing how many are watching and how many are participating. So what I will do, I will simply represent plain blank box with watching, and I will represent this shaded box by participating. It's very important to differentiate these two graphs, otherwise both will look same. इसलिए हमें बताना पड़ता है कि मेरा वॉचिंग वाला कैसा बॉक्स दिखाई देगा और मेरा पार्टिसिपेटिंग वाला कैसा ग्राफ दिखाई देगा. ठीक है. जैसे बार ग्राफ में भी हमारी एक हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सिस होती है और एक वर्टिकल एक्सिस होती है. हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सिस को हम एक्स से डिनोट करते हैं और वर्टिकल एक्सिस को हम लोग वाई से डिनोट करते हैं. और जहां पे मेरी ये हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सिस और वर्टिकल एक्सिस मीट कर रही है, इस पॉइंट को हम किससे डिनोट करते हैं? जीरो से. जीरो मतलब ये आपका स्टार्टिंग इनिशियल पॉइंट है. ठीक है. अब ये आपका बन गया एक्स वाई. अच्छा, हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सिस पे हम लोग क्या दिखाने वाले हैं? स्पोर्ट्स के नाम. तो हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सिस पे हम लोग लिखने वाले हैं फेवरेट स्पोर्ट. ठीक है. हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सिस में सारे स्पोर्ट्स के नाम लिखते हैं. जैसे हमारे पास कौन कौन से स्पोर्ट्स हैं? क्रिकेट, देन बास्केटबॉल, देन स्विमिंग, देन हॉकी एंड एट लास्ट एथलेटिक्स. ठीक है. यहाँ पे मेरे पास प्लेन बोर्ड है, लेकिन जब आप कभी भी ग्राफ बनाते हैं तो आपको एक ग्राफ पेपर मिलता है जिसमें स्क्वायर स्क्वायर ब्लॉक्स होते हैं. बिल्कुल वैसे ही स्क्वायर ब्लॉक्स मैं यहाँ पे बनाने की कोशिश करती हूँ. फाइन. तो इस तरीके से मैंने नीचे एक्स एक्सिस पे मार्किंग कर ली है. वैसे ही मार्किंग हम वाई एक्सिस पे भी कर लेंगे. तो ये मैंने एक्स एक्सिस पे भी मार्किंग कर ली और मैंने वाई एक्सिस के ऊपर भी मार्किंग कर ली. एक्स एक्सिस पे मैं क्या दिखा रही हूँ? फेवरेट स्पोर्ट्स दिखा रही हूँ. वाई एक्सिस पे मैं वॉचिंग और पार्टिसिपेटिंग के नंबर्स दिखाऊंगी. अब मेन बात आती है नंबर्स की. अगर आप इन नंबर्स को ध्यान दें तो यहाँ पे क्या है? 1240. देन दिस इज 470, दिस इज 320, दिस इज 105. So we are having numbers having range from 105 to 1240. Range we have discussed. This is the initial 105 and this is the final 1240. So we have to show all the numbers between this range. So I have to choose an appropriate scale. Choosing a scale plays the most important role in drawing any bar graph or any double bar graph. आपको स्केल, एक ऐसा स्केल चूज करना है जिससे आपका जो वाई एक्सिस है उसमें सारी की सारी चीजें इक्वल डिस्टेंसिंग पर. ठीक है. तो इसके लिए आप लोग क्या करेंगे? सबसे पहले जैसे अगर मैं नंबर्स को देखूं तो मुझे एक ऐसी टेबल सोचनी है जिसमें ये सारे नंबर्स बहुत आसानी से आ जाए. सो आई थिंक आई कैन चूज a scale of 100. So means my one block is equal to 100 people. So another will also have 100. So 100 plus 100, 200. Then 3. Fine. So what scale I have chosen? I have chosen, what is my scale? y-axis. First thing you have to show that where you have chosen the scale. I have chosen a scale on y-axis. So what is my scale? 1 unit is equal to 100 students. Fine. This is my scale. Now first of all I will talk about cricket. क्रिकेट में वॉच करने वाले कितने लोग हैं? 1240. तो ये कुछ 1200 और 1300 के बीच में आएगा, अराउंड आप यहां मान सकते हैं. सो दिस इज फॉर योर वॉचिंग. और इसमें पार्टिसिपेट करने वाले कितने हैं? 620. तो 620 जो है 600 और 700 के बीच में आएगा. वॉचिंग को हम प्लेन से दिखा देते हैं और पार्टिसिपेटिंग को हम कैसे शो करेंगे? शेड करके. सो दिस इज द ग्राफ फॉर माय क्रिकेट. सिमिलरली अगर हम बास्केटबॉल की बात करें तो बास्केटबॉल में वॉचिंग वाले कितने हैं? 470. 470 किस किस के बीच में आएगा? 400 और 500. तो एक बॉक्स छोड़ देंगे आप इनके बीच में गैप दिखाने के लिए. 470 मैंने कुछ लगभग यहां से लिया है. So this is basketball watching persons and this is participating 320. तो 320 कुछ यहाँ है और participating को हमें अगेन शेड करना है. आप इस अपने डेटा को और क्लियर करने के लिए आप इसके ऊपर लिख सकते हैं that this is 1240, this is 620, this is 470, this is 320. Similarly, when I will talk about swimming, swimming में watching वाले कितने हैं? 510. This is watching and how many are participating? Again 320. So 510 and 320. Participating को हम बार बार शेड करेंगे और इनमें डिफरेंस दिखाने के लिए मैंने एक एक बीच में गैप रखा हुआ है. Then coming to hockey, 430. आपके पास स्केल होगा तो आप और भी अच्छे से समझ पाएंगे इस चीज को. दिस इज 430 एंड देन 250. दिस इज 250. देन अगेन एथलेटिक्स वॉचिंग इज 250 एंड पार्टिसिपेटिंग इज 105. So in this way you can see I have shown all the important things. The graph is very much clear and we can analyze that the watching people are more than the participating people. On x-axis, on horizontal axis I have shown all the favorite sports. On y-axis I have shown the number of watching and participating people. All students you can say. Fine. Here I have shown that plain blank box is representing watching and this shaded one is representing participating. And to show all the numbers we should have equal spacing and equal intervals on y-axis, and that I have chosen 1 unit is equal to 100 students. This choosing scale plays a very important role in drawing any graph. Now I think in graph we can have questions regarding interpretation of graph also. Like graph will be given to you and questions related to this graph can be asked, like which is the most played game. So cricket is most played. Fine. And in which game the watching people are more than the participating? Then we can see that in all the games watching people are more than participating. Fine. And similarly we can have more questions related to this graph. So this will all come under interpretation of graph. And now we have learned also that how we can draw double bar graph and what are the all important things which we have to show in our double bar graph. Fine. Now we will discuss about chance and probability. Okay. Now this is the last topic of our chapter. This is chance or probability. Chance word की अगर हम बात करें, this chance we are using in our daily life. For example, whenever we are playing any game, then we are saying that it's my chance to play the game, or whenever we are playing Ludo also, then also we say that it's my turn to have the game. Fine. So chance, like opportunity you can say, or it is not sure, it is having 50-50 chances that it can happen, it cannot happen. That how many, whenever you are playing Ludo and you are playing the dice, then what are the chances of getting 6, or what are the chances of getting 1? We people are not sure. Fine. So in this chances there are few cases, like it can happen or cannot happen. It's 50-50. Fine. 50-50% that can happen or cannot happen also. So this is 50-50 case. Then surely happen, definitely it will occur. Like for example, if I will talk about the event that sun rises in east. So this is a sure event. Definitely sun will rise only in east direction. There is no scope that it will rise in west direction. Now impossible event, whenever we are playing Ludo, again because it's the most played game, Ludo everyone has played. In Ludo also we have seen, is there any chances of getting 7 while playing Ludo? No, we can't get 7 in Ludo because there are only 6 numbers. So getting 7 in Ludo is a impossible event, which will never happen. Fine. So in chances we can have 3 types of chances. One is it can happen, cannot happen. One is surely happen. We are sure about that event. Like whenever we are tossing coin, either it will come head or it will come tail. But no other thing will come in place of head or tail. That is sure. And coming of head and tail is 50-50%. Fine. Impossible event we have discussed. Supposedly you are having a basket of apple and oranges. So it is impossible to take out grapes from that basket. If apple and orange is there, then getting a grapes from the basket is an impossible event. Similar, the word probability is also related with the word chance also, and the formula of this probability is number of favorable outcome divided by total number of outcome. अच्छा, अब ये आउटकम वर्ड आपको सुन के थोड़ा अजीब लग रहा होगा कि ये आउटकम क्या है, ठीक है। और ये प्रोबेबिलिटी भी, चांस तो ठीक है हमने बहुत बार सुना है, एवरीडे वी आर यूजिंग इन आवर लाइफ आल्सो द वर्ड चांस, बट प्रोबेबिलिटी वी हैव नॉट यूज्ड। प्रोबेबिलिटी वर्ड को अगर मैं थोड़ा सा ब्रेक करूं, अगर इसको मैथ से बाहर हम इंग्लिश में लेकर आए, तो आपने एक वर्ड सुना होगा प्रोबेबल। प्रोबेबल, आप इस वर्ड का मतलब डिक्शनरी में सर्च कर सकते हैं। प्रोबेबल मतलब हो सकता है, पॉसिबिलिटी है इस चीज की, ठीक है। प्रोबेबल का मतलब क्या बोल सकते हो, पॉसिबिलिटी। बहुत सिंपल लैंग्वेज में अगर मैं बोलूं इसे, तो ये क्या हो सकता है, पॉसिबिलिटी, ठीक है। कि किसी भी इवेंट की, इवेंट आपका कोई भी काम हो सकता है, कोई भी काम, ठीक है। कॉइन को अगर मैं टॉस कर रही हूँ तो हेड आना एक इवेंट है, टेल आना एक इवेंट है, ठीक है। लूडो आप खेल रहे हैं तो लूडो खेलने में इवन नंबर्स पाना इज एन इवेंट, गेटिंग ऑड नंबर्स इज आल्सो एन इवेंट। तो ये सब प्रोबेबिलिटी का अगर मैं सिंपल लैंग्वेज में बोलूं तो इट इज व्हाट, पॉसिबिलिटी, ठीक है। और किसी भी चीज की पॉसिबिलिटी या प्रोबेबिलिटी निकालने का फॉर्मूला क्या है, नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल। फेवरेबल कितने आ सकते हैं, ठीक है, कितने आ सकते हैं। आउटकम, आउटकम सिंपल आपका क्या है, रिजल्ट, जो भी आपका नंबर आ रहा है दैट इज रिजल्ट। सो नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल आउटकम अपॉन टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम। बहुत छोटा सा एग्जांपल लेके अगर मैं आपको पहले कॉइन का एग्जांपल लेती हूँ। कॉइन में 2 ही चेहरे होते हैं, हेड और टेल, तो इसका टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम कितना हो गया, 2, ठीक है। अगर आपसे इसमें पूछा जाए कि प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग हेड, हेड आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या है, तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम तो 2 है। फेवरेबल कितना होगा, फेवरेबल तो 1 ही है, क्योंकि एक कॉइन में एक ही हेड होता है। सो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग हेड इज 1/2। सिमिलरली प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग टेल, अगेन टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम इज 2 एंड टेल इज ओनली 1, सो फेवरेबल आउटकम इज 1, ठीक है। अब मैं आपको एक और एग्जांपल अगर लेके बताऊं, कॉइन की जगह अगर हम लोग डाइस को ले, ठीक है। डाइस, डाइस, डाइस क्या है आपकी, जो लूडो में आप लोग यूज करते हो। तो डाइस में हमारे क्या क्या नंबर लिखे होते हैं, डाइस में हमारे नंबर्स होते हैं 1 2 3 4 5 इवेंट क्या है, इवेंट अलग अलग हो सकता है। सपोजिंगली मैंने पूछा प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग अ इवन नंबर, टोटल इज 6। नाउ काउंट व्हाट आर द इवन नंबर्स। इवन नंबर्स कौन कौन से हो सकते हैं, 2, 4, 6। तो टोटल कितने फेवरेबल आउटकम हो गए, 3। वी आर हैविंग 3 फेवरेबल केसेस, 2, 4 and 6. So probability of getting an even number is 3/6. On simplifying it, both 3 and 6 are coming in the table of 3. 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. Similarly, I can have probability of getting a prime number. Probability of getting a prime number. अच्छा, अब इसमें से प्राइम नंबर कौन कौन से हैं आपके? Prime numbers are the numbers which have only 2 factors. Fine. One factor is 1. I have told you in class 6 also that prime numbers have only 2 factors. We relate this word with prime minister. One factor is 1 and the other factor is itself. So prime numbers कौन कौन से हैं? 2, 3 and 5. How many prime numbers we have? Again we have 3 favorable outcomes. 2, 3 and 5. One is neither prime nor composite. So again total number of outcome will be 6. So probability of getting a prime number is 1/2. Similarly in case of dice we can have many questions like probability of getting a number more than 2. So if I am asking more than 2, then how many favorable outcomes? More than 2 कितने कौन कौन से नंबर है? 3, 4, 5 and 6. So how many favorable outcomes? 4. So probability of getting a number more than 2 will be 4/6. That is, on solving we will get 2/3. Fine students. So in this chapter 3rd, data handling, we people have studied about that what is data, how we are handling our data. We have different ways of handling our data. Through graph also we used to handle our data, and by using the method of central tendency also we used to handle our data. By using the method of central tendency we have mean, mode, median and range. Again you can just go through this video again to revise all the topics. Formula I have told you for all the 4 formulas. Mean is sum of observation divided by number of observation. Mode is the data, the observation which occurs more frequently is called mode of the data. And then median. Median is the central value which we are getting after arranging in ascending order. And range is highest value minus lowest value. Then in this video we have learned about how we can draw a double bar graph. What are the important things which we have to take care of while drawing the double bar graph. And at last, this is the smallest topic of this chapter, chance and probability. This is just introduction to probability. ठीक है, अभी आपको बस यही पता होना चाहिए कि सिचुएशन को पढ़ के आप ये बताओ whether it's an impossible event, sure event, can happen or cannot happen. Fine. And then if these events are given to you, then you can calculate the probability of an event also. Question. If you are having any doubt in this chapter, then you can ask in comment box, and more questions of this chapter we will see in next video. Thank you class.